Okay, good morning everyone. For today's video, we're going to draw a perspective drawing, specifically the one-point perspective drawing where we can show different points of view. For example, we're going to show the view of a bird or tinatawag nating bird's eye view kung paano tinitignan ng isang ibon yung object from the top to the ground. And also, we're going to show how the worm or the worm's eye view, paano tinitignan ng worm yung isang object from the ground to the top. And also, we're going to show the man's eye view where we, human, paano natin tinitignan yung isang object sa ating mga paningin. So, to start with, we need our materials. First, we need our ruler. Okay, so also we need our pencil and our drawing paper. Okay, so para mag-start tayo, hanapin natin yung center. So naka-pre-draw na tayo ng ating border or yung drawing plate. Okay, so para hanapin yung center from the border sa taas at border sa baba, it is 7 inches. So ang kalahati niyan ay 3.5. So mark natin yon. Then sa horizontal naman, it is 11 inches from the border. So ang kalahati ng 11 is 5.5. So yan, 5.5, mark natin yan. So nakita na natin yung center. Ito yung center ng ating drawing paper. So we need to draw an object to show different perspective. Okay, first we're going to show a worm's eye view where how worm see object from the ground to the top. Okay, so kailangan nating gumawa ng isang object. For example, gagawa tayo ng square. So, sukat lang tayo ng 1 inch dito. Then, dito sa taas niya ay half inch. So, yun yung magiging guide natin to draw a square. So, draw lang tayo ng 2 inches na square. Okay, sukatin natin 2 inches. Yan. 2 inches, another 2 inches here, okay, to complete our square or a box, isa pang 2 inches dito sa right side. So meron tayong object, paano natitignan or paano tinitignan ng worm yung object from the ground to above or sa taas. Okay, dito sa ating point, that's what we call vanishing point. So, yung bawat kanto o yung sulok ng ating square ay i-connect lang natin dito sa ating vanishing point. Connect natin lahat. Yung bawat sulok or kanto ng ating object. Okay. So, yan. Sukatan lang natin yung kapal ng ating drawing. For example, 1 inch. So, gamit yung ating ruler, draw tayo ng vertical line doon sa vanishing point. Okay. And another line, horizontal line, galing din dito sa dulo nito papunta sa vanishing point. Okay, so yan na, nakaka-drawing na tayo ng one point perspective in the view of a worm. So ito yung ground, sa taas niya tinitignan, nakita niya yung object ganyan. Okay, next we're going to draw 1-point perspective in men's eye view. So, sukat lang ulit tayo. Hanapin natin yung gitna. Sukat lang tayo ng 1 inch. Draw tayo ng 2 inches square. Inches, another 2 inches here, another 2 inches dito sa left side, and sa top ay another 2 inches. Okay, so from the vanishing point, i-connect lang natin yung dalawang kanto ng ating square para pakita kung paano tinitignan ng tao ang isang bagay from the horizon. Okay, so that's it. Sukatan lang natin another 1 inch para sa profile ng ating object. Then, draw a vertical line perpendicular dito sa pinagmula ng ating vanishing point. Okay, so yan. Paano natin nakikita ang isang object from our eye view? So, ayan na. And last one, we're going to show how birds see object from the ground. Okay, so ulit, 1 inch dito. Then, half inch dito sa baba. Then, draw a 2 inches square. Another 2 inches from the top. Okay, dito sa baba, 2 inches din. Okay, to complete our square, dito sa side, right side, another line. Okay, from the vanishing point, dito sa ating gitna, connect lang natin yung bawat kanto ng ating square sa ating vanishing point. Okay, so yan na. So, we need to measure the profile o yung kapal ng ating object, 1 inch. Okay. To complete our drawing, so ipantay lang natin yung ruler, hanapin natin yung ating sinukat. Sa linya ng vanishing point, i-connect lang natin ng vertical line itong dalawang vanishing point na to. Then from the top, pantay natin yung ating ruler. Hanapin natin yung dulo ng ating profile. Okay, horizontal line. Sa line ng vanishing point up to this line. Okay, so yan na yung ating perspective drawing. 1-point perspective in bird's eye view, worm's eye view, and men's eye view. Okay, that's all for today's video. Keep on following and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Bye-bye!
Ingat!